Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.3 question number 6. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Let us take a parallelogram. Here we are taking a parallelogram. Here we are taking a parallelogram. Here you see we are taking a parallelogram like this. And if we get the name here, that is name of the parallelogram is ABCD. That is A, B, C and D. Right? Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Let angle A is equal to x and also angle D is equal to angle x because they are same. Right? Here we are solving in this way. Let here you see that angle A and angle D are adjacent angles. Let angle A is equal to x and let angle D is equal to x. Therefore, we can write angle A plus angle D. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. The reason is that the sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is supplementary. The sum of adjacent angles, the sum of adjacent angles of adjacent, the sum of adjacent angles, the sum of adjacent angles is supplementary. The sum of adjacent angles is supplementary. Therefore, we can write angle A. We have taken angle A as x. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 180 degree. X plus x, that is 2x. 2x is equal to 180 degree. Or x is equal to 180 degree by 2. That is x is equal to 90 degree. Here you see the value of A is equal to 90 degree. The value of D is also 90 degree. Now you see that angle A is equal to angle C because they are opposite angles. And in a parallelogram opposite angles are same, therefore it is also 90 degree. And here also angle D is equal to angle B because opposite angles are equal, therefore it is also 90 degree. Right? Now here say that angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 90 degree. The reason is opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. And also angle D is equal to angle B. That is also equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? The reason is that opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Right? Therefore, we got angle A is 90 degree, angle B 90 degree, angle C 90 degree, and angle D also 90 degree. Right? Again, we are taking as same. Let A is equal to angle A is equal to x, angle D is equal to x, and these are adjacent angles. And you know that the sum of the adjacent angles is supplementary, that is 180 degree. The angle A plus angle D is 180 degree. Therefore, the value of x is 90 degree. Therefore, this is 90 means this is also 90. This is 90 means this is also 90. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.